Today guys, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano mag-register ang iyong Dito SIM for the SIM card registration na required by our government. And it's a very easy step lang dito kay Dito. So I'll be showing it to you quickly after this intro. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So this is a Dito SIM. So it's basically a prepaid. So I've received this message. So, hi Dito Sen, as the SIM registration begins this December 27, we want to make sure that your personal information is secure, blah, blah, blah. To register, use the Dito app and click the SIM registration banner. Okay, so very easy lang. So, let's just simply go inside my Dito app. So guys, nakapasok tayo sa ating Dito app and makita natin, the first banner na makita mo is register your SIM card now and get bonus data. Click mo lang dito, register here. So, makita mo, you have to fill up all of these data na kailangan i-submit, no? At the end of this one, kailangan mo mag-attach ng isang government ID na recommended plus isang picture of you holding the ID itself. So, simulan natin. So, identity type, i-select mo lang, no? Kung ano ka. Basically, ako Filipino. So, phone number, lalagay mo lang naman phone number mo. So, after mo ilagay yung SIM card number, get your OTP PIN. So, antay ka lang ng saglit at marireceive mo na. So, alam naman natin na medyo congested ang network. So, right now, receive ko naman agad. Wala namang, wala namang traffic ang aking OTP. So, all you need to do is just copy this code and paste it over there. Since it's 861759. So, of course, lagyan mo yung first name. So, kompletuhin lang natin lahat ng details. Don't forget to put in your date of birth. Siyempre, lagay mo yung gender. Okay, so male, female, or non-binary. Okay, ako, lalaking lalaki. Government ID, anong gagamitin ko? It's basically a driver's license. ID number. So, makukopya mo lang to sa iyong ID. And code mo lahat to, house number, street name, province, and barangay, zip code. And you have to attach your ID. So, na-attach na natin ID. Then, next is, of course, to take a photo of subscriber with the ID. So, I suggest that it should look something like this. May, close-in shot sa mukha mo, plus hawak mo ang iyong ID na sinubmit mo. Mine being the driver's license. Click check. Uploading. I-check mo lang to. So, I agree. Then, submit. So, kita na natin na SIM card registration has been complete. For new subscribers, your new SIM card will be activated shortly. Please take a photo or screenshot of this page for your reference. So, yan guys, nakita na natin ang registration nitong Dito SIM. It's very easy. Just use the app and you're done in just a few minutes. Walang kaproblema. Unlike yung other two networks, medyo pahirapan pa on the first few days. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads like this one from my channel. And if you feel that itong video nito is helpful sa inyong mga friends na nakadito, please share it to them as well. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?